Hello reception and welcome to our phonics. Now today we're going to be learning the ow sound. Okay. So you will need a piece of paper or in your book with your pencil or your pen. Are we ready to look at the screen? So make sure you're doing good sitting, good looking and listening. Are we ready to sing? A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, and V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my ABC, 26 letters from A to Z. That's lovely, children. Now remember, these are the names of the letters, the names. And we've got capital letters at the beginning, and then we've got the lowercase letters that follow. All right, children, let's join in with our previous sounds and make sure you do all the actions. Are you ready? We've got G, K, H, K, R, O, L, L, F, S, J, V, W, X, Y, Z, Z, Q, Ch, Sh, F, N, A, E, I, O, U, O, R, O, O, And let's say our high frequency words. Are you ready? Will, that, this, then, them, see, for, now, down, look, to, with. And remember, children, you can stop this video at any time and have a practice at writing these words as well. See if you can spell them without looking at them. Now we're going to go on to our oral blending and segmenting. So, children, I say root and you say root. Root. You say root and I say root. Root. I say card and you say card. Card. You say card and I say card. Card. I say corn and you say corn. Corn. You say corn and I say corn. Corn. I say hood and you say hood. Hood. You say hood and I say hood. Hood. Well done, children. Now let's have a look at our tricky words. Remember, children, we cannot sound talk these words, so we just have to learn them. Are we ready? He, she, we, me, be, was, you, they, all, are, my, her. Now, make sure you get your pen ready and your board. And the first word on our speedy words, I would like you to write the word them. Are you ready? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Did you manage to do it without having to pause the video? Oh, are we ready? Now the first sound is th, then it's e, and then it's an m. So remember, if you've got the same as me, give it a tick. If not, write it at the side. Now the next word that I want you to write is the word see. Remember, see if you can beat me. Counting down. You ready? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. So the first sound is a s, then the next one is e. So it's a digraph at the end. Remember, give it a tick if you're the same as me, or write it at the side. Now the next word is for. You ready? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. So the first sound is a f, then it's the or sound at the end, the digraph. Now the next word is now. Quick, write it down now. Now. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. And the first sound is a N, and then the sound is ow, which is what we're learning today. Ow. And here it is, ow. And our action for ow is when we've got a needle and we've hurt our finger. We prick it with a needle and we go ow, ow, ow. So it says on here, I pricked my thumb with a needle. Ow, 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 ow. I pricked my thumb with a needle. Ow, ow, ouch. Okay, so it is your thumb that you were hurt. So get your thumb ready because that's the action. Okay. Right, join in with the song.
I pricked my thumb with a needle. Ow, 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 ow. I pricked my thumb with a needle. Ow, ow, ouch.
Right, children. So that was the ow sound. So here we have it. See if we can have a go at writing it. So let's have a look at my board now. And the first letter is the O. So R, and we start at the top and went all the way around. And then we've got the W. So we go down, up, down, and up. And you can see they've got diagonal lines. That's the ow. One more time. I'm going to go round in a circle, back round, and then off, and then down to the line, up in a diagonal line, down in the diagonal line, and back up. That's ow, ow. See if you can do a row of them, children. Now let's have a look at these words. Now I've just said that it's the year 2021, so it's now. So n, ow. Then what's this one, children? That's right. The arrow's pointing down. D, ow, n, down. And what's this, children? That's right. It's a cow. K, ow, cow. And then what's this one, children? That's right. It's an owl, owl. Now, I need your help. Let's have a look at these pictures. So, what's this one, children? What's this? That's right, it's town. Have you been there with the fountains? It's town. Town. Now, what's this man doing here? That's right. He's having a bow. He's bending down, bow. B-ow, bow. And what's this, children? It's a towel. That's right. T-ow-l, towel. And this one, they're having a row. R-ow. So let's have a look. Ooh, let's read the words. So we've got t-ow, oh, that should have been a dot, children. I slipped on the mouse. L, towel. And this one, b-ow. Then this one, r-ow. And this one, t-ow, town. So we've got towel, bow, row, and town. So which one is the towel? That's right. It's down here. Right, what about bow? Which picture's that one? That's right. It's here. And this one, row? That's right. It's here. And this one, town? That's right. Thank you for your help, children. Now let's read the sentence. Oh, let's have a look at the picture though. That might help us read the sentence. We've got a towel. So it is black and red. Let's read our sentence. My towel is red and black. Read it one more time. My towel is red and black. So how many words have I got in that sentence? That's right. I've got 6 words. Say it again. My towel is red and black. Right, children. Dear me, somebody's messed up my sentence. What's the first word in my sentence? Do you think it's that one? My. It's got a capital letter, so he started off with my. My. What's next? That's right, towel. What's the next word? Is it and? No. Is. Yes, my towel is black. Is that right, children? No. What is it? Red. My towel is red and black. Well done, children. Let's read the sentence. My towel is red and black. Right, see if you can write that sentence. My towel is red and black. Remember, you can pause the video and you can have a go at writing that. Now, children, let's have a look at this. I've got 3 pictures and we've got to read the sentence and we've got to find which picture the sentence is talking about. Are we ready? The cow is brown. Read it one more time. The cow is brown. So is it talking about this picture, children? No. Because that cow is what colour? That's right, it's black and white. What about this cow? Is that the right one? No, because that one's black. What about this one? That's right, the cow is brown. Well done, children. This is the picture for this sentence. Right, children. Don't forget to email me your work. Bye-bye.